The mysterious fate of a couple who disappeared in 2011. The terrifying truth hidden in the wilderness. In May 2011, two young people from Colorado, 26-year-old Sarah Bennett and 28-year-old Andrew Miller, set off for the Utah desert to spend a quiet weekend camping. Known for their passion for photography and nature, the couple wanted to explore the San Rafael Swell area, full of steep cliffs and abandoned uranium mines. They were last seen at a small gas station in the town of Green River, Utah. They filled up their car, bought a map, and then disappeared without a trace. Despite a massive search involving helicopters, volunteers, dogs, and drones, no trace of them was found. It was as if the sands and rocks of the desert had swallowed them up. For many years, their families waited hopefully for their return. Although there were rumors of murder, links to a cartel, and even aliens from outer space, no evidence was ever found. Finally, in August 2019, the terrible truth came to light. Students from the University of Utah's geology department, exploring an abandoned uranium mine near Temple Mountain, discovered two skeletons sitting side by side on rusty folding chairs at a depth of about 90 meters. Next to them lay a broken lantern, a rusty thermos, and an old Nikon camera. Despite the collapse of the mine, the cellar of nature seemed to have preserved the bodies. Dental records confirmed the horrific truth. Sarah and Andrew had been found. The causes of their deaths were officially recorded as unknown. However, researchers believe that after they entered the mine, a partial collapse blocked the exit, and toxic gas may have hastened the tragedy. Perhaps the most astonishing detail was the camera, which was still working. One of the undeveloped frames was taken just an hour after they were last seen at the gas station. Detective Laura Martinez, who investigated the case, said, "They went in there of their own free will. They weren't running from anything. It was as if they just sat down and waited."